What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here today, and in today's video we're going to be actually installing a phone mount from a company called Course Motorsports. So definitely check out the links below and get yourself a phone mount holder. They have a few different they have many different kinds for many different vehicles, so definitely check them out. We're going to install one on the Ford Ranger today. I seen my girlfriend had one in her car, and I was like, I gotta get one. So I started searching. Ended up coming across a website, CourseMotorsports.com, and I like what I seen. So I emailed the owner of the company, and he actually sent out one to install into the Ford Ranger. Let's go get the mount, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I have the package here. Let's get this open. So we got one thing there. We got a box here. Here it is. Course Motorsports. Let's take a look and see what we got in here. Alrighty. So it looks like, ooh. So it looks like we got a magnet here for sure. That's supposed to go onto your phone. And then we have a bracket here with a threaded end on it. So we got that. And we have the actual magnet itself. And this is a two-piece deal here. The threaded part, and then male end, female end. And then we're going to install that too. So that's what we got there. We also have a little ball socket as well too. So got that. Even give you a little Allen wrench too, so that's awesome. They even give you the tool. They even give you the tool to install it. So yeah, we got all these items here. Let's get to the truck and start getting everything ready to install this kit from Course Motorsports. Alrighty, so now this kit actually installs behind this air vent here. You can either do it on this side, on the driver's side, or you can do it on this side. This side is a little bit more involved. You'd have to take off both air vents and this center section, which I'm not going to do. We're going to make it simple, and we're going to install the phone mount right here. So the first thing we got to do is get this off and find the placement for the bracket. So I'm going to be using a little trim tool here. It's kind of busted up a little bit, but we're going to use this, and we're going to go on the bottom here. We're actually going to try to get this in here. Pop that open. And just pull that right out. Alright, now that you got the vent off, you will see a 7mm screw there. We're going to want to take that out. Okay, so we have the bolt out now. So we got that. And we're going to want to take our little bracket, and we're going to want to put that just like so. So we're going to want to take our little bracket here, and then there is a 3M double-sided tape on there. We're going to want to peel that off, and then we're going to stick this 3M tape to the side there, and then we're going to put the bolt back in right there. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then you're going to want to put your screw back in. I'm just going to finger tighten it real quick. You just want to snug that up. So now that we got that on there, looking pretty good, we're going to put the vent back in. We're going to stick this back in. And that's it right there. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to take the little ball socket here. We're going to twist that on. Allen wrench that they gave us. Give that a couple of turns here. Then we're going to undo this from the magnet, the threaded piece from the magnet. I'm going to slip that over. I'm going to push that onto the ball socket and then thread on that back side. Alrighty, so that's on there now. I'm going to take my magnet, I'm going to put it on my phone. And they give you a couple different style magnets. One big flat one and a round one. So I'm going to stick this to the back side, like so. And then just, boom, there it is. So you got that. And it's adjustable. You can go any way we want, really. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's gonna work well. And it's on there too. That is on there. So yeah, we got that there. Spinning around, looking good. Out of the way. And I can still get to my screen. I can see my screen. I can tilt my phone towards me. There we go. Perfect. That works out well. So guys, definitely check out Course Motorsports. Check out the link below. They're extending a gift to you guys when you order anything from CourseMotorsports.com. So at the time of checkout, if you put TheWiscoGuyz in, you'll get 15% off your whole order. So definitely go down the link below and copy up some Course Motorsports phone mounts. And they do also have wireless charging mounts too. So definitely check that out. Get it wirelessly charged, and I'm impressed. It's good. Like, that's gonna work out great because I hate fumbling with my phone. Nowadays, it's like either it's in the cup holder or down below, but now you can always ride shotgun with me up on the dash there. So definitely check them out for sure. Definitely check out the link below, CourseMotorsports.com. I'd like to thank Course Motorsports for sending that out. Big thank you to them. And definitely use TheWiscoGuyz in the time of checkout and get your 15% off. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And you guys have a good day or night or whenever you're watching. Thanks guys. Bye.